Hello friends, welcome to another video of Electric Doctors. If you liked our previous videos, please like and subscribe and do comment if you find them helpful. Today we're going to talk about an exclusive problem which we can face on a Macintosh PC. So first, we all know that a Macintosh has an inbuilt browser called Safari, and in the Safari we can access all the sites. So right now I have in front of me this MacBook Air, and I want to show you a specific problem which we can face over here. So I go to Safari and let's say just so I want to open a site called Google, which is fairly easy. Click on it and it opens, right? But so suppose I also want to access my Gmail in Safari. That's quite odd. It doesn't open. It doesn't allow me. So suppose I also want to open another site. Let's say I want to open Yahoo. Still gives me the same error. It's quite odd. So we want to talk about what kind of issues which can lead to this kind of problems. So there's three ways in which we can solve this problem. The first is the way in which your router is configured, or I would like to call the router method. So if your router is configured in such a way, it can control what domains and what sites it can open. So suppose if it can allow you to open Google, but if it cannot allow you to YouTube, that is controlled from the router. So make sure if you have a router like TP-Link or D-Link, you go into the controls and you check whether the router has the option to enable you to open other sites or not. So that's number one. Number two is the network address method. So for that, I would like to take you to the system preferences, which is like the control panel over here. And if you notice, I will go to network. And right now the location is set to automatic. What it means automatic is here. So when you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, the computer or the network card selects the IP address automatically, and it sets the router and sets the internet to connect automatically. But I can also go to edit locations and I can put a static IP address. So this is what I created earlier on just to show it to you. And if I click on done, sorry, let me just click on smart again. You see all the options has collapsed. That because it's a static IP address and it has already taken 192 or 168.1.1, which is an open IP address, which I really don't recommend you should do it. So I should put it back to automatic again, where you see it's 4 again. Also, if you want to put another static IP address, you can go to edit locations, click on this plus sign here, and let's say you want to put some name, and you can just click on done, and from there you'll see the status on. So that's like one of the ways. Anyway, so we'll stick to automatic here, so I'll just click on revert and I'll just go back. So that's point number two. And the third point, and the most important but overlooked point, is how it has to do with the date and time method. So now if I show you here, it's showing January 2038. Now notice carefully that the set and date and time automatically is deselected. And let me show you how it works here. So I put on the password, get into admin mode, and select set date and time automatically. Basically it takes the time from the satellite, and I'll just click on that, right, and I'll close that. Now notice how it reacts after that. I go into Google should work fine. But if I also want to like open another site like Yahoo, which was previously not opening, it opens just fine. If I want to access YouTube, there we go. Right, so there we go, it works. So there you have it, friends. This is how you can solve the mystery of any other site apart from Google not opening on your Safari browser in your Macintosh PC. If you felt this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and comment for any other videos you want us to do. Thank you and have a nice day.